Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should create a styles CSS file inside your resources and immediately attach it to the scene. Use scene, get stylish sheets. Add, with a resource URL so the app can load it at runtime. Assign style classes with node. Get style class. Add my class or ID with node. Set ID my ID. Once linked, your controls will pick up rules. This is faster and cleaner than inline set style calls, and it keeps presentation separate from layout and logic. Now write concrete rules using Javafx property names like fx background color and fx font size. Use combined selectors to target states and nested nodes, for example. My button, hover, or hash root. Title label because that lets you style interactive behavior. Keep specificity in mind. ID override classes, and later rules override earlier ones. Once done, prefer classes for reuse and only use ID for one-off exceptions. This makes maintenance easier and prevents accidental overrides when your UI grows. Finish by packaging your CSS with the app and loading it via getClass. GetResource/styles, CSS, to external form so it resolves inside a JAR. Run through UI states, resize windows, and verify pseudo-class reactions to ensure consistent appearance. If styles don't apply, check resource path, style class names, and specificity order. Troubleshooting tip, enable scenic view or programmatically print node. Get style class and node. Get ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.